Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin our class with the chapter budgeting. And in this, we are going to deal with meaning and importance of budgeting, comparison between budgeting and forecasting, types of budget. They are cash, purchase, and master budget. Only these three you have to do, and you have to know only the meaning. Okay. Let's talk about what is budgeting. A budget is a pre-planned statement of management policy during a given period which provides a standard for comparison with the result actually. So what happens is, what is budgeting? It is a process of designing, implementing and operating budgets. It is the managerial process of budget planning and preparation, budgetary control and related process. Budgeting is the highest level of accounting in terms of future, which indicates a definite course of action and not merely reporting. It is an integral part of such managerial policies as long-range planning, cash flow, capital expenditure and project management. Budgeting refers to the process used by the companies in which the detailed projection of revenue and the expenses of the company for the future specific period of time are made, considering the different internal as well as external factors prevailing at that time. You prepare from beforehand that the money which you have in your organization, how are you going to spend that money? Okay, what will be your expenses? What will be your revenue? Like for example, if you get a pocket money, isn't it? So a child who is very wise, what he will do is he will use that money in the best possible way. He will plan out. He will divide the money into parts, that how he used to utilize that money so that the whole month of his can pass. Okay, so every organization, even when a political party comes into rule, the ruling party which starts, the first thing they do is they do budgeting. They prepare the budget as to how they are going to run, with the money financial. They first try to have a stake over the financial situation of the organization of our country, and then they work accordingly. Okay, now, is utility of budget. Why is budget important? It communicates to managers what is expected from them. Any problem in communication and working relationship are identified. Resources and requirements are identified, isn't it? What happens is, if you know the budget, how much money so the manager knows that how to make use of the money and take the best resources possible and utilize those resources to get the production done. Okay, establish guidelines in the form of roadmap to proceed in the right, isn't it? They give you a direction as to how much money has to be spent, how they have to go through it. Okay, improves managerial decision making because emphasis is on future events and associated opportunities. Encourages delegations of responsibilities and enable managers to focus more on the specific of their plans and how realistic the plans are and how such plans may be effectively achieved. It provides an accurate analytical technique, provides better management of subordinates. For example, a manager can use the budget to encourage salespeople to consider their clients in long-term strategy terms. That means what should be there, how they should utilize the money, how they should utilize the product which they are given to them. Okay, helps management become aware of problems faced by lower level with the organization. It promotes labor relations. Okay, management are able to look into the affairs of the people those are working, and this tries to create a good relation between them. Okay, allows for thinking how to make operations and resources more productive, efficient, competitive and profitable. It leads to cost reduction. Allows management to monitor, control and direct activities within the company, perform standard acts as incentives to perform more effectively, point out deviations between budget and actual resulting in warning signals. Like if they cross their limit, that how much is the budget and they cross more than that, then they get a